I'm going to show you how to set the red curve in the Photoshop app. First, you have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here, we just go into the top row, click on filter, then we click on camera raw filter, and here in the right side, we just scroll down, and here under curve, we click on the red circle, and here we will be able to set up the reds and the blues in the picture. And yeah, we can add some stops and move things around just a little bit to achieve the desired effect in the picture. As you can see, like this. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.